Hi guys, welcome back to my kitchen. It's Roger once again, and today I'm going to be cooking curry. A really delicious chicken curry. Moist chicken pieces and potatoes cooked in a creamy coconut curry sauce. Before I start, please don't forget, subscribe to my channel just down in that corner there. Hit the button, hit the bell, and you can see all my future videos and all those old ones that I've done in the past. So without further ado, let's crack on with this delicious curry. First I'm going to take a large pan, put it on the hob, put on the gas. Then I'm going to put a hefty amount of cooking oil in there. And I'm going to follow this with a large knob of butter. Oh, you can't beat a good bit of butter, can you? We're going to let this melt down a little bit. Then I'm going to add some pieces of chicken from 2 whole chicken breasts, cut into chunks about like this. About 1 inch squared, or perhaps a bit more. We don't want them too small, so they're going to go into this hot oil. And we're going to cook these right the way through, keeping your pan extremely hot all of the time. Once cooked through, we're going to remove them from the pan and put them to one side, just leaving the juices, the butter and the oil and juices from the chicken breast, sizzling away in our pan. Then I'm going to add to this 2 whole white onions that have been chopped up fairly small, and we want some fresh ginger as well. That goes in, followed by 2 or 3 cloves of garlic that have been chopped up. They go in too, and then we're going to cook these down until they're all nice and softened. And you'll find that this onion will change flavour completely. It will get really sweet and tasty. So when it's softened like this, just bring it back from the edges. You've got a little bit of caramelisation there. Now we can reintroduce our pieces of chicken that are already cooked and start to add our other ingredients. I'm going to put in a teaspoon of brown sugar to give it a little bit of sweetness, then some paprika. I'm going to use 1 teaspoon of that. Then I'm going to go in with some turmeric, 1 teaspoon of that. That's really lovely. And a little tiny bit of cayenne pepper. Now if you don't want the heat, you can skip this bit. And some Garam Masala. I find it hard to say that word, don't know why. Actually it's 2 words. And I'm going to put 2 large teaspoons of that in. That's all your flavours mixed into one. Beautiful. Get all these ingredients incorporated together. And then we can go in with our coconut milk. I've got a whole tin here, and you'll find it separates in the tin. So in you go with that creamy stuff that's on the top, and also the liquid that's in the bottom of the tin. We're going to use the whole tin, apart from a little bit that I've sneaked. I love the taste of this. And mix this all in before adding 3 large potatoes that have been cut into chunks and partially boiled. Put those in the mix, get this covered in the curry, and we're going to let this simmer down for about 20 minutes. Then we can add the juice from 1 whole lemon, squeeze that in. If you put the lemon juice in too early, the flavours just get lost. So after 20 minutes, we're all cooked, ready to plate up. Look at that lovely colour. I'm going to serve this up with some steamed rice. Now doesn't that look good? Good enough to eat. Oh yeah. Little bit of coriander on the top. And yeah, we're good to go. Please try this for yourself guys. It is so tasty. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again next time. Bye for now.